Have you ever asked yourself what women truly want in a man? What ignites their desires and keeps their thoughts locked on you? For most men, this remains a mystery. It's something you might never fully understand, unless you're guided by someone who knows how to unlock these secrets. And that's exactly what this video is about. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful masculine ways to make her obsessed with your presence. Listen carefully. Mastering these skills is like unlocking the blueprint to desire. If you apply them with the right intentions, they'll transform the way women perceive you. But remember, this isn't about manipulation or using these skills negatively. It's about becoming a better man, attracting women naturally, and building genuine connections. With that said, let's dive in. 1. Keep high standards. Women are instinctively drawn to men who have high standards. Why? Because high standards reflect self-respect and confidence. When you set clear boundaries for yourself and others, you're communicating that you know your worth and that you won't settle for anything less. Here's the secret. When you maintain high standards and refuse to compromise, women will naturally want to rise to meet them. It's like setting a bar they're eager to touch because it signals to them that you're a man who values excellence. This doesn't mean being arrogant or controlling. Far from it. It's about striving for personal growth, surrounding yourself with quality people, and leading a life of purpose. A man who has high standards is someone who constantly works on himself, cultivates self-discipline, and exudes a sense of value. When women see that you're living by these principles, they'll recognize that you're a man of substance, a man worth chasing. Confidence will radiate from you. And trust me, that kind of presence is magnetic. Mark my words. If you uphold your high standards with conviction, women won't just notice, they'll crave you. 2. Be unpredictable. Here's the truth. Predictable men lose their charm. If a woman can read you like an open book, the mystery is gone. And with it, her interest. Women are psychologically wired to crave a sense of intrigue. They're drawn to men who keep them guessing, men who have an air of mystery and unpredictability. Why does this work? Because when you're unpredictable, you create excitement. You stir up curiosity and make her wonder what your next move will be. Women love the thrill of not knowing when you'll surprise them or how you'll show up next. But here's the key. You need to find the right balance. Being unpredictable doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. It's about keeping things fresh and exciting without making her feel uncertain about your intentions. When you master this art, she won't just think about you. She'll become obsessed, trying to figure you out and yearning for your time. Always keep her guessing, and you'll keep her hooked. 3. Master the emotional game. This is where the real magic happens. Mastering the emotional game. Emotional intelligence is one of the most powerful tools you can have in your arsenal. Why? Because women are deeply emotional beings, and when you connect with them on this level, it's game over. Here's what emotionally intelligent men do. They listen actively, making women feel heard and valued. They validate emotions without being dismissive. They offer support during both happy and difficult moments. When you show a woman that you can handle her emotions with care and understanding, she'll feel a sense of safety and connection with you. This kind of emotional bond is what makes her think about you long after the moment has passed. And here's the kicker. Mastering the emotional game doesn't just make you more attractive. It also makes you more capable of handling life's challenges. When you can maintain emotional balance, even in tough situations, you project strength and stability. Learn this skill, and you'll become unforgettable in her eyes. 4. Be a strong communicator. Let me tell you something most men overlook. Communication is king. Masculine men who know how to communicate effectively stand out from the crowd. Strong communication isn't about talking endlessly or trying to dominate the conversation. It's about being intentional with your words. It's about listening more than you speak. And when you do speak, doing so with confidence and clarity. Women are surrounded by men who either try too hard to impress or lack the courage to express themselves fully. When you step in with assertive, thoughtful communication, you immediately stand out. Here's the formula. Be confident, but not arrogant. Be clear about your thoughts and intentions. Avoid unnecessary games and be genuine in your interactions. When you communicate with purpose and poise, you project strength and self-assuredness. Women will notice this and be drawn to you because let's face it, Most men lack this skill. Become the man who speaks less, listens more, and commands attention when he does speak. That's the kind of man women chase. 5. Create a strong charm. Finally, let's talk about charm. What is it, and why is it so powerful? Charm is the combination of confidence, charisma, and presence. It's the ability to light up a room simply by being in it. And here's the best part. Anyone can cultivate it. The foundation of charm lies in working on yourself. Build your confidence by mastering your skills, embracing your strengths, and addressing your weaknesses. Develop a sense of wit. Humor and intelligence are irresistible traits that amplify your charm. But remember, charm isn't about manipulation. It's about being authentic and radiating energy that draws people toward you. When you strike the right balance between confidence and humility, women won't just be attracted to you. They'll feel magnetically pulled toward you. Here's your goal. Be the man she can't stop thinking about because your energy, wit, and confidence leave an indelible impression. These 5 masculine traits, high standards, unpredictability, emotional intelligence, strong communication, and charm, are the keys to making any woman obsessed with you. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these skills with good intentions and to build meaningful connections. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips. Until next time, go out there and become the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.